Hi, everybody. Laura here for Mama Elephant. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce the new Special Delivery Wishes stamp set. And this is a beautiful stamp set for any type of special occasion. So you've got that large scripty special delivery sentiment. There is also a special delivery coordinating die. And then here's some of the sentiments. Straight from the heart to let you know how much you mean to me. Of wishes for a bright and beautiful future. May all your dreams come true, and may happiness follow you wherever you go. Here's some more. Of birthday wishes filled with love and laughter. May your special day be truly unforgettable. Of gratitude for your kindness and support. You make a difference in my life, and I'm truly grateful. And of warm thoughts and best wishes sent your way to brighten your day and bring you joy. These are really great heartfelt sentiments that you can pair with that special delivery large scripty. And then we're also featuring the new Goody Bag Topper die. It's kind of a die set really, because you get lots of little dies, these 4 little mini tags. And then I'm going to just snip this apart so I can kind of show you the different parts. So you get 4 little mini tags with different shapes. And then here's your goodie bag topper. There's also another little panel if you wanted to add that on top of your topper just to have more detail, more accent. I'm going to dive right into this goodie bag topper. I'm just die cutting it into some white cardstock. I'm going to add a little blending, but you could do a lot of different things to customize this. It puts score marks in it when you run it through your die cutting machine, so it's easy to fold, and you want to fold that middle flap down too. So that'll be the back. Right now you're looking at the front of the goodie bag topper. So this is what it looks like from the front. And then I'll show you what it looks like. You can open it up easily. That's the back side. You could die cut this out of solid color cardstock, out of pattern paper. I just grabbed a couple little, like a lunch bag, just to show you how that fits for size. Really, really cute. And then here's a little cellophane goodie bag, which I'll show you my project. I use cellophane. But I'm going to zhuzh up my goodie bag topper with ink blending. Just an easy way to do it if you want to die cut it out of white cardstock. I'm using Distress Oxide ink here in saltwater taffy. I'm going to do kind of a gradient, warm rainbow start. Okay, you know how I like to slip it in when I can. So a little saltwater taffy over on the right. In the midsection, I'm doing spice marmalade. Trying to get a nice smooth blend between these colors. These warm tones, they're definitely probably not holiday themed. You could, if you want to add blended red and green, you could really make it fun for the holidays, or some like brown tones and plums and greens for like Thanksgiving goodie bags. And then on the end, a little squeezed lemonade. So I went ahead and put together a little goodie bag. I went rummaging through. For some odd reason, I don't know why, we're running low on goodies and candy, but I found a bag of these gummy, sour worms, or I think that's what they're called. I don't even eat these. Somebody in the house must love them, but I put a few in a little cellophane bag just to show you how cute it is. I did cut this cellophane down about 4 inches to make it a little bit smaller. So you can customize that, how big you want your goodie bag to be. But this would be so fun if you're giving out treats for Halloween, little goodie bag for the teacher. You could slip in a gift card with some like chocolate. Hey, that sounds good to me. There's the back side. There's the front. Now I'm going to add the sentiment from the special delivery wishes. I'm just stamping this large scripty special delivery in some light aqua ink. I'm going to die cut it using the coordinating creative cut, holding it down with a little Easy C pink tape. I'll take it off camera, run it through my die cutting machine. And then I am going to go ahead and die cut 2 more just out of white so that I could stack them up and give it a little dimension. This is totally optional, but I like to do this a lot because it just makes the sentiment kind of pop and makes it a little more hefty. A lot of times I use foam tape, but when die cuts are kind of scripty like this, the thought of cutting little slivers of foam tape behind it pains me, that I'd rather just die cut a few. When you have the coordinating die, it makes it easy. And so I just glued those 2 white ones together, topped it off with my stamped one, and then I will glue this on top of my goodie bag topper. So it's a little special delivery goodie bag of treats. I'm not sure who I'm going to give it to yet, but whoever it is, they better love sour gummy worms. I think I'll save this and give it to Emma, my youngest daughter. She just recently qualified for state in cross country, so maybe I'll give this to her little little congratulations surprise special delivery goodie bag. Now I went ahead and cut one of those little mini tags out of some aqua cardstock. I'm going to stamp this little from me to you sentiment, which is from the new Deliver Lots of Cheers sentiment stamp set. I'm going to just tie this onto the goodie bag topper with some twine. I tied a little knot first, then threaded the tag on, and then just tied a simple bow. This is some of that kind of like jute twine, but you could use white or whatever you have. And that just kind of like adds a little something if you wanted to write a name on the back or something like that. So there you have, for you, from me, special delivery, sour gummy worms. There you have it. Okay, I'm going to share one more just because I thought it would be so cute to make a shape card. I'm using the B2B Circles Creative Cuts. I just die cut 2 out of white, same size. I'm just scoring it just a little bit in. I'm not really even measuring it. I just went in a little bit and scored it. And then I'll put a little score tape on that flap and then adhere the top to it. And that's how you make an easy peasy little shape card. You can do it out of anything, any shape, any die you have. Cut 2, score it, tape them together, bada boom. And then just to spice it up a little bit more, this one's going to be kind of festive for the holidays. I took the same large circle die and I'm using some green solid color cardstock, and then I took a smaller one and I'm going to kind of center those together, hold it down with some tape, run it through my die cutting machine, and this is creating a little shaker window. So it's not only going to be a shape card, it's going to be a shaker. So it's a shaker shape card. That turns into a tongue twister. Again, same large circle die, cut out some acetate to back my shaker window, just using some glue. You can use whatever type of adhesive you want to adhere your acetate, and then I'm going to back that with some foam adhesive. I love these foam adhesive strips that are pre-trimmed, and you can just easily manipulate them around that circle shape. Makes it so easy to create shape shakers like so. And then I just pulled out some green and red and white sequins out of my stash, which is overflowing with sequins. I need to use them. Pop on that shaker window, and there you have a very simple little shaker shape circle card for the holidays. And I'm going to top it with another sentiment, that large scripty special delivery. I'm going to emboss it in gold onto some white cardstock. So I prep my cardstock with the powder bag, inking up the sentiment with Versamark ink, and I did stamp it a couple times, but I didn't always show that part. Pouring on some Simon's Stamp Gold embossing powder, and then I heat that up with the heat gun and die cut it with the coordinating creative cut, gluing it in the center of that shaker shape card, right on top, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and emboss a little coordinating sub-sentiment from that same special delivery wishes stamp set. I use the top one, straight from the heart, to let you know how much you mean to me. And I'm going to emboss this in white on a little strip of black cardstock. Again, prepping my strip with a powder bag, pouring on some Simon's Stamp white embossing powder. Trim that out and then just nestle it right underneath. I did put a little bit of foam tape on that so it pops up slightly dimensional, and there you have a shape or a shake card. I love the shimmer of the sequins. I also love that the sentiment is embossed in gold, so it's got that little bit of shine to it. This could easily be turned into a tag. If I would have thought ahead, you could punch or poke a little hole at the top and thread some twine. You could tie that onto a gift or tie it onto the tree, however you want to do it. So there you have 2 projects featuring the new special delivery wishes and the goodie bag topper. All of these new products will be available on October 15th over at Mama Elephant. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.